Thank you so much for always being there for me. You never judge me. I don't treat you as my friends or best friend. You are my little sisters. You are my family. Now I'm curious. I want to know what inside on this bag. I feel like blank. There you go. Oh, this is so cute. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel guys. We're doing a unboxing, but this is a different unboxing guys, because this one it actually come from my friend, and she's not just a friend, also like little sister in my heart. We're not same blood, but we are family. So very excited on this one. Wasn't gonna do unboxing on this, but I was thinking, and then she said you should do an unboxing. I was like, now I'm curious. I haven't seen inside of this. I find out that this one is from Gucci's because she sent me a text and she said, hey ate, it's from the Gucci, and so that's the reason why I get really excited. I haven't opened this one yet guys. I went on vacation and she asked me, she said, hey, have you opened that yet? I said, no, I haven't opened. So buksan na natin guys to, kasi excited na talaga akong buksan to dahil gusto kong malaman kung ano yun nasa loob nito. There you go. It has the little envelope and it's from Gucci, and this is the box. Ooh, there's a dust bag. There's 3 dust bags. So every time you guys buy luxury items, they always come with the dust bag. Oh, this is so cute! Look at this. It's gonna fall. It's a little 3 Gucci little bag inside. Let's find out what's inside of this little bag. And of course, before we started, so we wanted to check the card inside. This one is description about the Gucci when you buy something from them. But this is the card from the person that gave this to me. This message is from her. She said, Merry Christmas ate. Love you sobra. Sobrang happy ko na nakilala kita. Will always be here for you. So sweet. If you guys ever know her, she's a very sweet person. A few years ago, nang makilala ko siya guys, she's really sweet. She have a really big heart. She's beautiful guys. I think some of you guys knows who she is because you've seen her in my video also, and then you guys seen her in my live. Thank you so much for always being there for me. Thank you for like nakikinig sa akin. Ikaw lang ang pinagsasabihan ko ng mga personal problem ko. Alam mo, you never judge me. You never say anything against you. Whatever I tell you, you have a really beautiful heart. That's why I love you. I don't treat you as my friends or best friend. You are my little sisters. You are my family. I really love you. Thank you so much for your gift, and I'm really excited to find out what in this little bag. Now guys, we're gonna find out what's inside on this one. It's a lipstick. Oh my god, I love lipstick guys. This is a lipstick. Wow, it's so pretty. That's Gucci. This is a beautiful pink. Of course, we're gonna try that guys. Let's just check everything. Now I can add this on my collection. I do have a luxury collection on lipstick because I love lipstick guys. As you guys know that I do a lot more on the lipstick. This one is the next one. There is right there, it said Gucci on the lipstick. 3rd lipstick. It's so beautiful guys. I don't put lipstick during day. I just put a little bit lipstick pretty much the whole day. We're going to start on, the name is, this is sweet. They met in Argentina and number 208. Let's try this. It smells good. And that's the color. Let's see. Really pretty guys. The feelings of this is very smooth. It's so nice. Very light. It's very moisture. Ang ganda niya guys. Mapipil mo yung good quality on lipstick. I wonder how much is this, right? I want to find out how much is this. But this is a really beautiful lipstick, guys. I like the color. Wow, she actually like knows what color I love. This one is so super nice, beautiful on my skin tone. My skin tone, it's light brown. This is a really beautiful, guys. Let's try for the next one, guys. I removed the first one. We're now ready for the second one. And this one, it's Myra Crimson. It's number 504. I just clean my lips. Ang ganda-ganda niya talaga, guys. Oh my god, I'm super happy with this one. That is the second one right there, guys. This is a little bit darker, but let's see. This is a really pretty red. Actually, I didn't expect it that's gonna be like this red. It's really pretty. It's not like, you know, like a bright red or something, but this is a beautiful type of red. What do you guys think? It's nice, huh? It's really nice. It's the same feelings, guys, the first one. Wala pa akong Gucci, guys, na lipstick, pero ito, guys, ang ganda-ganda ng feelings niya. Those are kind of hard to remove because it's a dark color, guys. It's not easy to remove it. But anyway, we'll move on to the third one, which is the third one is the Kasi Magenta 404. Wow, this is the pink one, and I love pink one, and it has that Gucci written in the lipstick. I love the way this pink color, same thing, same feelings, very smooth, and it's just beautiful. You know, it's just really beautiful, guys. That's it. That's the 3 lipstick that we tried. Everything, guys, is my favorite. Everything is my favorite, right? Because usually only pick one. Lahat siya, guys, ang gaganda and super ganda, guys. Ang ganda pa ng feelings niya. Ang cute ng dust bag. So now, meron na akong Gucci lipstick. I will add this on my collection because mahilig kasi talaga ako sa lipstick, guys. Lipstick, it's kind of like lipsticks for life. Parang ganon. But anyway, guys, thank you so much, guys, for sticking with me and for watching my video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe now so you won't miss any of my going on my channel. And maybe next video we'll have another giveaway, guys. So I'll see you guys again later. Thank you so much. Bye.